Hello friends and welcome to English with Alex channel. Short story number 5, The Magic Sneezing Frog. Once upon a time, a frog named Felix lived in a lovely pond. Felix was special because he had a magical sneeze. Whenever he sneezed, a burst of colorful sparks filled the air, and something unexpected would happen. One day, Felix was sitting at the pond's edge when he felt a tickle in his nose. He let out an enormous sneeze. The water rippled and a shower of glittering stars appeared overhead. A tiny rainbow bridge emerged, connecting two lily pads. Soon enough, all the other animals heard about Felix's magical sneeze. They gathered around the pond to witness the magic he created. The forest animals were delighted when Felix would sneeze, creating soapy bubbles, each filled with amazing surprises. Felix's magical sneezes made everyone happy. He sneezed flowers that danced into the air and once a chorus of singing frogs. The pond became lovely, filled with the whimsical magic of Felix's sneezing. From that day on, Felix's pond was known far and wide as the most enchanting place in the forest. Thank you friends for watching. Hit the like, subscribe to our channel, and bye for now.